I made a little sunshade so I can see the screen. So all you have to do to make this thing fly is to press this start button down and hold it. You look at this, make sure you got enough GPS signals here. Okay, we're ready to take off, and to take off all you do is just hold that button down and it'll count down on the screen. 3, 2, 1, go. There she is there, taking off. Now I'm going to right click this and that will set the recorder in action. But listen to that, man, it's just sitting in the air so well. And then when you finish recording, you just click that again and then it takes that information, the counter, off the screen. Now then, if you just want to take a photograph, click this one once and your screen will change size. Now if you want to land, you just press that same button there, the start button, press it once and it'll tell you that the drone is now landing. See, there's no maneuvers to perform. It's so easy to run this drone. I think for the price it's definitely still the best drone on the market. I want to start it up one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, drone is. Also, just to let you know, this makes the gimbal go up and down. That there. So if you press this down, see, it's the image is starting to go down. So it has an up and down gimbal there, which is great. I mean, I can't believe it. I can't believe the quality of the video for a drone this price. For sure, I'm going to take it up a little bit. How we're doing? Okay. And I will record. Okay. Are you ready, drone? There you go. See, it just goes up nice, man. It goes up nice. It's a bit sunny out, like, but see. And then once it's there, it's just gonna sit and hover. It's taking video, and I'll show you it as soon as I get to the editing machine. Okay, now we're gonna come down. If you are a first-time drone flyer, this is very important. When you come to fly your drone, make sure the back of the drone is facing you, because if the front of the drone is facing you, these control sticks will be backwards. So when you press that to go away, the drone will come towards you. And when you're a first-time flyer, that will be quite nerve-wracking. So always set your drone pointing away from you. Unless, I believe, you're in the selfie mode, but I've never used that. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll now show you how to get the camera photographs and video from the actual quadcopter, which is in its memory, down onto the phone, because it took me a little bit to figure out. So hopefully this will make it easy for you. Alright, thanks for watching. When flying outside, I recommend you take a piece of cardboard and make like a little hood around your cell phone, because when it's bright sunshine you can't even see the image, even though you brighten it out. You can brighten the image, but this little thing here is useful, very handy. Okay, so what I do now is take this out of the holder. To transfer the photographs, what you have to do is to make sure that everything's connected. You've got your controller turned on, you've got the drone turned on, they're all bound together. So what you do next is to get to these photographs that you want to get on video, you press this button there. And that'll take you back to this area. Now then, you press it one more time. And you press the home button, and it'll take you to the gallery. And that'll let you see what videos are on the memory card of the drone. To download onto your phone, there's a little arrow here. I don't know if you can see that. There's an arrow there, and you just press it. And then you press that arrow, and it'll say, do you want the original file or the compressed file? I would definitely always recommend the original file. So we'll do that. And then it's taking it down. And once that file is downloaded, you go to the top left hand corner, go back again. Now you can see that this image here has an arrow pointing that way. That means that you have already downloaded that one. These two, one of these are just images, so we'll click on that. It'll say download, what does it say there? Download original image. Yeah, that's what we want. And that'll do it quick. See, images, it downloads quickly. Then once that's done, you go back to your left hand arrow and do that, and you'll see once it's downloaded onto the phone, there's a little, looks like a battery shape to me, a rectangle. So we know those two had already downloaded. This one doesn't have the rectangle on it, so that will be the next one to download. And this is all video and images that the drone took. And once that last image is downloaded, you can just go there and left click there, and you can go back into flying or whatever you want to do. And the next step is to take this little micro SD card and just plug that in. Did you notice that? The rule is whenever you go to plug in an SD card into the phone, it's always the wrong way. I don't know why that happens. But anyhow, this micro SD card to a regular USB, then you just plug that into your computer or laptop, then you can download your images from there. Alright, happy flying.